have created, I would like to request you kindly uh, on YouTube search Crime Free Bharat Mission.
जी,
It is my channel. It is channel of Maithili Saran Gupta, IPS officer, former DGP Madhya Pradesh, and President Crime Free Bharat Mission. It is having more than 9,000 videos explaining how we can transform our country.
Okay.
It is also explaining that the power will go to the people who will be striving and taking pledge of good India for themselves, Acha Bharat for themselves.
Okay.
So, Dr. Jugal Kishore, I will get in touch with you after you seen something, and I will share a few documents with you. And if those documents are really, you find that it is good for changing and transforming this nation, I will be really too happy if you can really join us in this mission. And then I will explain that what small thing need to be done to transform this nation.
Okay, sir.
At outset, I would like to say that this country will change. In this country, nobody will be then poor. Everybody will become the wealthy and happy. Every citizen, I mean, from our three models of crime-free Bharat mission, Government of India will get 20 times more money. Thus, there will be no taxation in India. No income tax, no corporate tax, no central GST, no state GST. Every citizen of India would be having a shadow account. The name given is Kalbrix account. So whenever you need money, that will be coming from your own shadow account without you are asking or requesting for it or asking for any approval. And even if you are not in position to earn, this Culbrich account will send expert to your place and to assess your potential. Then pathways of your potential would be designed. It will be divided into the milestone, and you will be given that kind of the education, that kind of skill set, that kind of the technological enabling, so that you can be directly deployed for creation of the national asset. And when you will be deployed and on creation of the national asset, the revenue will be flowing to you. So if you have taken any money from Culbrich account, that will be returned without your approval, because the money is coming without approval of anybody. It need to be returned. It is a temporary enabling so that every Indians can enjoy the fruit of Gram Swaraj, fruit of Jaivik Bharat, fruit of water is again becoming pristine. Once again, the water will come up to that 9 feet. Your production of the milk will go from 16 crore liters to 160 crore liters. There will be Gosalaye, which will be having 10 times more cow. The life of the cow of Gosala will be altogether different. So I will share few of the document. You please go through it, and then we will have a second line of discussion. Then how we can really join and contribute.
Okay.
So once again, pleasure talking to you, Dr. Jigal Kusher, and we will pick up the thread in future. Thank you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.